this morning, family. Black Phoenix checking in at the project right now, doing a little fabrication. One of my rods exploded on me. Luckily, had my safety gear on, so I'm super good. But it's always good, man, when you're working to be safe. Right now, I'm finishing up the fabrication. I'm gonna show you what I got going. Putting in the kickers on the side with these. Move down at the bolt center. I'm gonna fabricate my pieces. So I'm getting my hog on this morning, welding everything down, putting some more welds on. So that's what I'm doing, man. I just wanted to say, man, when you work, always be safe. Safety first, always. Hog on.